Number 9, A. Distinguish between a cation and an anion. Well, a cation is a positive ion, and an anion is a negative anion. Okay, simple definitions. Now let's get to the trend. How does the size of each, right, cations and anions, compare with the size of the neutral atom from which it is formed? Well, cations are always smaller than the atoms from which they formed. Remember, when an atom ionizes, losing electrons to form a positive ion, they're going to lose electrons until that entire energy level is gone, and they revert to the electron configuration of the nearest noble gas. Well, that's going to mean that they get rid of an entire energy shell, making them smaller. Whereas a negatively charged ion is going to be taking on electrons, and because you're taking on electrons without also taking on more protons, right, because we're just adding an electron, we're not adding a proton, the total amount of positive charge is staying the same. It's not increasing. But there is now more negative electron repulsion present because there are more electrons. And so there's more negatively charged electrons to repel one another. And it makes them spread out more and more, making the electron cloud larger. Now, your book uses the term shielding. As you increase the number of electrons, you increase the number of electrons that are shielding one another from that nuclear charge, which is attracting them.